So part 1 is covered for all.
Yes, ma'am.
Anuja,
Yes, ma'am.
Isa, Amandeep, Sharandeep, Jay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Uh, were you listening to others' answers?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine, there's a cue card. Can all of you see it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Amandeep, your time starts now.
As I am a sports person, usually sports accessories and the advertisement of sports accessories or sport materials attract me a lot. So I remember an advertisement I recently watched in my internet. It's of a sports shoe, and that advertisement is done by one of the reputed and famous cricketer of India team, that is Virat Kohli, and he is one of my favorite cricketer. In that advertisement, he wear that shoes and give some features of he display demonstrated the some and that advertisement was full of vivid colors. They had shown various features of shoes, and they added some sound effects which adore me a lot. And that advertisement was so appealing that even I watched it twice. So, and even that shoes appeal me a lot. So I am planning to buy that shoes. And
Why you remember it so well?
pardon.
Why you remember this advertisement so well? Last question.
Because, ma'am, I said earlier, because Virat Kohli is one of my favorite sports person. So I still remember that advertisement, and the shoe was very attractive. So that's why I remember it very well.
Okay, so there are two reasons to remember this particular ad very well. First of all, Virat Kohli, who is my favorite sports person, and the other one, the shoes. I'm fond of wearing different shoes also, and then the brand as well. Okay. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Sheen, start.
Well, advertisement is nothing but a means of brand promotion. So today I would like to talk about an advertisement which is quite different from that of other advertisement, in which actually I saw it on the movie theater. It's all about a character named Mukesh who suffered from malignant cancer because of his smoking habit. So actually, the plot of the advertisement is based on the adverse effect of smoking and its future causes, and how can it harm to the people. So, actually the character, the Mukesh, he suffers from as he was a chain smoker, so he suffered from the malignant cancer, and finally, after suffering from cancer, he finally he dies.
He succumbed to death.
Finally, he dies.
He succumbed. We
Sorry?
say he succumbed. SUCCUMMED.
he succumbed to death. And for that particular reason, I remember the advertisement, because it was very harsh experience. Harsh experience for me to watch, and it was not even at all soothing for me. And whenever I remember of my one of my friend, and I prefer him remembering all the ill effects that he may cause in the future because of his bad habit. So that's the particular reason I remember much of this
Oh,
advertisement.
thank you. Good. Succumb means what? Succumb to injuries, succumb to कोरोना, succumb to कोरोना और succumb to injuries का मतलब है उसके आगे मतलब कि क्या बोलना चाहिए? You got into the trap of that and died. ऐसा बोलो. Because of his habit, he was succumbed to death. You will check the spelling. I think it is SUCCUMBED. I think.
Yeah, yeah.
Anusha. Anusha, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. Should I start?
Start.
Well, in daily life, we go through a lot of advertisement, whether it is in newspaper or in television, or sometimes also in internet as well. But today, I would like to talk about an advertisement which I saw in TV while I was watching a movie in my TV. The advertisement was about a mobile phone, which is Samsung S8. Uh, and what happened in this advertisement was a person was all alone in his college life. He was not very familiar or did not had much friends, but as he was lonely. But as he bought a new mobile, as he took his mobile, he got famous. He had so many friends surrounded by him. He was chased by so many girls just because of his fancy mobile. It has so many. What was appealing about the advertisement was it had so many good features, like it was very slim, with it has both back camera and a pop-up this mobile phone. Why I remember about this advertisement so well is, one thing is because it's funny, like how a person get noticeable just because of one mobile. And second thing, why I remember this, because I am interested to buy a new mobile. So I was in search of some good mobile. So I was looking forward to this mobile, and I loved it because I want a mobile which is slim as well as has a good camera quality. So
And has all the latest
that's
features.
why
And has all the
ma'am,
latest features.
what? Yeah, it has all the latest features. That's why I love this advertisement and looking forward to it.
Okay, okay. Thank you. Isa,
Yes, ma'am.
are you prepared?
Yes, ma'am.
Start.
Um, well, I don't rely on advertisement more.
No, more me, much.
Actually,
Much.
much.
I don't much rely on that.
I'm not much reliable. I don't much rely on advertisements, but and I have a habit of skipping the ads and watching the series. But this is the advertisement which I'm talking about is very touchy one, which made
Heart
me
touching. It's very heart touching.
it's very heart touching, and it was about um, um, it was about uh, it is of a the advertisement is of Domino's Pizza, and I had saw this
I
advertisement
saw.
on Facebook.
I saw.
I saw I saw this advertisement on Facebook last month only on Mother's Day special, and the advertisement is about an old lady who is who was living her life peacefully with with her son and daughter-in-law and in a nuclear family, but somehow she was very misbehaved by her daughter-in-law and
Ill-treated.
most
Ill-treated.
huh,
She
mistreated by
is ill-treated. Ill-treated. बुरा व्यवहार.
ill-treated. Huh, she had ill-treated by her daughter-in-law, and most of the
She is frequently ill-treated.
okay, she is frequently ill-treated by her daughter-in-law, and most of the time she is ignored by his son. And the time came when uh, when her son decided to take her to old age home, and it was very shocking for her. And but she initially she got very depressed, spending her time in old age home rather than spending time in her home. And by the time gradually she lifted her spirit up and
She adjusted.
adjusted there, but and involved herself in some and engaged herself in old age home tasks like stitching or cooking something. So by stitching she got some money, and
She earned some money.
she uh, she earned some money, and by that money she ordered Domino's pizza for her son, because his son liked the pizza very much. And the time came when her son and whole family came to meet her, and they get very um, emotional
Emotional.
over emotional at that time. And it this advertisement mm,
That's
brought
why I
tears to my
remember. Hmm.
that's why I remember. Then it brought tears to my eyes, and it made me very emotional and
Yes,
think
very.
about the
Made me think about the old people.
old ones.
बहुत अच्छा था either. It was so good. But the only thing is, how much time you spoke? 3 minutes
And
26 seconds.
mhm.
So it was too long. No, you have to finish within 2 minutes. They are going to stop you in 2 minutes. No, but the story
Okay.
was too good. That's why I
Mhm.
remember it was so heart touching. I felt emotional, and the tears, tears. क्या बोला आपने tears?
Brought tears to my eyes.
So for that, you can simply say my eyes got welled up.
Mhm.
मेरी आंखें भर आई. My eyes welled up.
Mhm.
That also you can say, but still it's not wrong. Okay,
Okay.
fine. Okay, ठीक है. Jen, are you prepared? Jen?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
start.
Can I start?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, Sharadi. Start.
Ma'am, can I? Yes, ma'am. Well, I think in present situation, advertisement is the best tool for marketing, and we can by the help of advertisement we can know the latest product which are launched in market. And today I love to tell about the most rememberable advertisement which I watched is ad of a soft drink which is called Mountain Dew. Well, I watched this advertisement 5 years ago when I was watching a TV when the new product launched in the market. Uh, in this advertisement, a young boy trying to jump out of a plane in a parachute jumping. He taken part in parachute jumping, and he he's trying to jump, but he is very afraid of that while jumping, and his friend motivate him to jump and gave a soft drink which is Mountain Dew. And after drinking that, and he gained some confidence to jump, and he jumped afterward while saying that डर के आगे जीत है, which means victory after fear after victory. Well, I remember this advertisement because I usually say this slogan that victory after fear in my daily situation, and also in this advertisement, the young boy is our favorite actor, one of my favorite actor, which is Salman Khan, which is a very well known personality of Bollywood.
Very good.
Why?
Okay, thank
Why
you
I
so much.
remembered it. Yes,
Very
ma'am.
nice, very nice. Actually, you took a very good advertisement. It was worth mentioning. And you used some good words like he's a celebrated actor, Salman Khan. And then what else you said? One more thing. Did you mention he was the person shown in this was a handicapped boy who was
नहीं
encouraged by
मैम,
two of
नहीं वो तो मैम फिर पर्सनल एक मैं अगर मैं पहले सोचा था एक्सप्लेन करने का, फिर मैं ये बोला कि वो एक्सप्लेन करूंगा तो वो पर्सन के ऊपर हो जाएगा ना एक्सप्लेनेशन तो.
हाँ लेकिन इसमें दिखाता है ना वो हैंडीकैप रहता है वो that's why he is afraid to jump into that waterfall, but when his friends encourage him he successfully dive मतलब
मैम कूदना, डाइव.
dive means किसी पानी में जंप करना.
मैम पानी में नहीं जंप किया था, वो तो एरोप्लेन से कूदा था.
अच्छा हाँ sorry I got confused with one of that ad in which there is one handicapped who's not having his limbs, and he was pushed by two of his friends after taking Mountain Dew, and he successfully dives into the waterfall without having limbs. All advertising. Anyways, it was good. जो आपने बोला अच्छा. Fine. ठीक.